Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Monad update for you guys. Monad right now on a bit of a dip at 25 cent. Like I said, guys, I did kind of say, hey, a great DCA opportunity might be on the cards. We got a little short-term bull trap for the people that was like, oh, it's going to the moon again. And people got caught, in the little move up from the 25 cent bounce, So we're back at the Coinbase ICO price. This range is going to be tough to break from, because if you take a look at the overall macro of the market, majority of altcoins, man, they are not performing, man. 99% of them are not performing. This is why I gave Monad props, because it's one of the only ones, one of the few that has shown some type of strength, right? Just one of the few that has shown some type of strength, right? And it's still undervalued, in my opinion, right? So any dips on Monad, I think, is a great time to buy. If you have not accumulated that 50,000 to 100,000 Monads yet, now is a great time to buy. You're buying at the Coinbase ICO price, just like everyone else when they first got the chance to buy Monad. I think that's a great time to buy, right? So if you had like $2,505 for 100,000 Monad right now, if you already bought maybe like at 2.7 free cents, you already bought like $300. Maybe now is a good time to toss in another $300 or $500 here. It dips lower, another $300, right? That's how you DCA. And then, when you get your bag accumulated at dips, not on green days, but on red days, you just hold it to Valhalla, take profits on the way up. It's that simple, right? We don't have to overcomplicate the space. When market conditions turn around, because right now we're trading a very difficult, extremely difficult market compared to 2024, right? Like I said, 2024 was fantastic for myself and many others. So right now we're trading an extremely difficult market, but these are the skills you want to develop for when the market turns around and gets bullish again. You've already got these skills acquired, so it's so much easier to trade, right? You're not going to be coming into the market when retail FOMOs finally comes to the market and FOMOing into the market. You're not going to be trading like a headless chicken. You're going to be controlling your emotions. You're going to be strategic. You're going to take profits accordingly. You're only going to buy dips. You're not going to FOMO. These are the skills you train yourself for when the market actually gets bullish again and actually turns around, right? So again, Monad in a great spot, man. Any dips I see on Monad, I think is a great time to buy. So right now we see 271 mil in market cap, 105 mil in 24-hour volume. Volume is still great, up 3%. You want to see that, right? And obviously volume coming in from Coinbase, the major player for the volume, as well as Bybit as well, which is great to see, right? So again, great spot for Monad here. Let's take a look at X from peak. Mon rejected hard at 3 cent. Now it's back at the ICO price at 2.5 cent. This is a make or break zone. 2.5 cent holds potential bounce and range recovery. If it fails, downside continuation likely, right? I wouldn't necessarily say it's a make or break zone, because we could go down lower and still recover, man. Things turn around so fast in the space. Whoa, look at the TVL. Holy moly. Monad TVL is increasing fast. 601 million TVL. That is insane. What? That is insane. So remember, we checked out this chart from Sejul here. So again, we could see this pullback to that 2-3 cent, 2 cent range. I'm not sure how low if it'll reach that low, but you never know, man. You can't have bias. You can't just be a bias to the bullish side. Bias long term, you could have bullish, continued bullish bias, just like people long term on Bitcoin. They have continued bullish bias on Bitcoin. They know it's going to go up over time. Short term, we're going to see pullbacks. You're going to see pullbacks. But over time, as time progresses, it's going to grow, right? So what do you do in these, days when it's red and everybody say, oh, Monad is over, it's a scam. Oh, Monad sucks. You buy some. You buy some. Psychology, right? Crypto is all psychological, right? Everybody's crying, oh, Monad sucks, oh, price is going down, oh, it's a scam. You buy some, right? So yeah, not really much new, TA charts we've seen so far. But yeah, we're in a good spot here for me personally for Monad. ICO price is a good spot. Now would be a good time to, if you haven't accumulated what you're looking for, just make a small buy here. If it goes like lower, you make some more buys. I think this is you know, the best way to be strategic here for Monad. And again, you can see the user base for Monad growing. You can see more people onboarding to the network. Just look at the TVL and how much it's growing. So as always, guys, Monad is in a great spot. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate all the support, really do, for the Monad videos. You guys are, you know, really supporting, and I truly appreciate that for the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, share the videos. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Be safe out there. I'll catch you in the next